Good morning, everybody. We're here in Lincoln City, Oregon, and we're at the beach. Angles here.
Oh, yeah.
So you gotta get from the side and get some close-ups, get some perspective. No!
Come on, Christy, you can throw better than that. That was like a girl.
I know.
Okay.
From the moment that you walked in, I knew that something new was coming. You made my heart beat loud like a bass drum pound. Never seen something so stunning. But baby, is it true what I've heard about you? You watch me fall and you walk away. If there's 88 keys, why would you choose me to play? 'Cause I thought you were a beautiful love song, but I was wrong, and you're just a heartbreaker. And I thought you'd make my heart melt with just one note, but that didn't work. Now we're on the 12th day of trying to make this feel right, but maybe it's not worth the fight. And now you're playing my heart like a grand piano, baby, grand piano. We're on our way to Portland, where our concert is tomorrow. Wendy and Christy have the giggles. But we stopped at the Tillamook Cheese Factory because why?
We want cheese.
And something about ice cream.
But mostly cheese.
No ice cream.
Cheese.
But yeah, so here we are. How do you rate it? Oh, you don't like it? Despite the confusing name, Hey everybody. Daniel. Hi. Daniel.
That was creepy.
We're here in Portland, Oregon. We are gonna fix the van tomorrow. Shout out to Keith. Shout out to Keith from Enterprise, who is hopefully getting us a new window. And then we're gonna go like explore the city and stuff. And then we're singing for a barbecue.
What are you doing?
He always does this.
And then we're gonna break the window again.
No.
Why else are we fixing it?
I'm keeping my eyes on you, Ginger.
Oh.
Oh.
He just
Okay.
called you soulless.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
His
And lights out.